Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when you try to create Xbox or Microsoft account and if you're stuck on gamer tag page and the let's go button does not work. So when you click on let's go, it does not do anything. So if this is what is happening, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So you can go to account.xbox.com and on this page you can try to log in. So you can use this link. So use this link to create an account or login, and you should be able to go beyond gamer tag screen. You should be able to do so. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, first of all, go to account.microsoft.com and on this screen you can create an account. If you haven't created an account, you can create an account and then you have to log in. Once you create an account, just log in. Now once you're logged in on this website, now you can go to account.xbox.com/profile. So you can go to this link. All the links are provided in the video description. So make sure that you log into Microsoft account first and then you can try to select gamer tag, or you can go to the profile of Xbox account. So you should be able to go beyond gamer tag and you should be able to create an account. So this is how you can fix it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.